Ehoregi ebireye bembirwa beji abarkwegitira hansi y'ikigombe cya Rwamwanja Students Association obwo bagenderire kurwanisa oburofa omutawuni council no kutungura ebyobuyonjo.
Atandikire ejo kitongore mwebare munonga ico tudakungana kavera turakiya ayikarikona turakata mu kintu kitu tukatware ayikashebeko akakozere ki kari kandi tukizire kubona ekizo cyo bakweta drug abuse. Mwene twatungira abantu ba population ya Kataryeba tumanya ngweta unike kubande kura ejane bumwe bitari mwe na bumwe nko kwezunisa ebitokoza bwongo bantu mwe mureke twecendeze okwezunisa ebitokoza bwongo.
Make sure yourself abarire please mta infecting abandi, make sure you use protection when you're going to meet anyone.
Abejaba nabwa nyuma yo kuyonja emyanyeji begisirwe Minister w'Eby'Obuhingi Oborisa n'Obujubi kandi omunyishengero wa Kibale East.
Echo kubanza kumanyana erizo twamanyana okumanyana n'ekikuru okamanya omuntu ori kuruga biguri okamanya mutabani wa nanka nasoma ki abantu abutwine ni bahi ekyakabiri connectivity
wanga nakuyamba ekifeka kyabo fight bad politics. First of all, understand what is bad politics and what is good politics. Kamwenge, we are what we are because of we are a unified community.
Minister kugambaho n'abejaba ayorekero kwatwaho ahabwe bigombe byabeji okweyongera nikwe kubashaba kwegita.
Ninyenda mukwatagane batafiringa ngo bamirwabo. So you can agree, work on the constitution, have an interim transitional committee.
We try as much as possible to ensure that unemployment problem is reduced by encouraging skills development. We had requested the Honorable Frank Tumwebaze to help and lobby for us a technical institution that is going to help impart skills.
Minister ayongire yahiga abejaba okwetantara pokopoko zenganda obwagumize ngwezi zirukombeka ecyanga ngukoreka nezicumbagiza entunguka. Gashakwa Anthony Twine.